All right, now our next topic will be creating models for quadratic equation using Simulink. So I have here my quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so take note a, b, and c are constants, and we are going to solve for the value of x. So first we are going to create models and then solve for the value of. So let's start. So by looking at the equation, you have there a summer. So you can click anywhere and then type add. That will be your adder. Since we have three terms, so we need to put and all are positive. So we can say they are all positive, A, B, and C. So what will be our output? So our output, okay, let's label the output as x. So take note, we need to solve for the value of x. So in this case, no, since we don't know the value of x, we can create another um, block here, which is the solver. So type solver and choose algebraic constraint solver. So click that, put it here. So meaning to say it will solve for the value of x. So the output is now x. Okay, that's the output of your solver. So what are we going to do with x? In the first term, we have a times x squared. So you can say, let's type a square. So we are going to square the value of x. Type square, and it will give you u squared. So meaning to say you are going to square the function here. Okay, so we can put the square here, okay, and then rotate by clicking holding control and press R. So that's how you rotate the blocks that connect that to X. The output here becomes X squared. So let's label this as X squared. Okay, that's your X squared, and we need another block that will multiply the constant or to your X. In this case, now I will create a gain here. Gain, okay, rotate, and I will label. Let me draw this one and put that in the other. So I will label this as a variable a. Okay, so that will be my variable a. That's my gain. So in this case, this will now become a x squared or a x squared, and the next is bx. So just copy the gain here. Let's put it here and label this as b. Okay, and connect that to the value of x and put that in your input of the other. What else is missing? So we have C here is constant. So we can say constant. And then let's label this as C. Take note, okay, A, B, and C are not yet defined. So now, so the output here now should be connected to the display. I will put a display here so that we can display the value of. Okay, let me move this a little bit. Oops, let me zoom it like this. Okay, let's move it here. Right. Okay, that's it. So now, since we don't have any value for A, B, and C, we can create a value now in our workspace by going back to your command window. This is your command window. Um, let's clear the workspace. So we can say clear. So the workspace is now empty. We are going to put the values of A, B, C. So, assuming now we are going to solve for, go back to Simulink and edit this part. Okay. Solve for x squared e. Use the equation. This is the equation. I will label this 3x squared plus bx plus c. Oh, no. I mean, this is x squared plus 8x plus 15 equals 0. Okay. So let's solve for the value of x in this case. Now a is 1, b is 8, and c is 15. Let's go back to the command window and put the value of a equals 1, b equals 8, and c equals 15. Okay. Take note, we don't have any variable in our workspace. So once I enter this one, so the value of a, b, and c are now present in the workspace. Okay, that is very important. Now, we are ready to run this model or quadratic. So what will be the output? So the output is negative 3. Take note, negative 3 here is one of the root of this quadratic equation. Why negative 3 is displayed? Because negative 3, okay, is uh, let me use the solver here. The initial guess is 0, as you can see here. By double clicking this solve block, so the initial guess is 0, meaning to say the roots that is closest to 0 will be displayed. Okay. Now if I'm going to put negative 6 here and apply it here and then run again, so it will give you the other root, which is equal to negative 5. Negative 5 is displayed because negative 5 is closest to our initial guess. So initial guess is very important in algebraic constraint block. Okay? So that's it for modeling quadratic equations using Simulink.